Good morning, class. Can anybody tell me who this is a picture of? Anybody? Who do you think it is? Well, let's write down our ideas of who this could be, and then I'll tell y'all. Okay, the correct answer is Theodore Roosevelt. We're going to learn today who Theodore Roosevelt was and what he did for us. Theodore Roosevelt was born in October 27th, 1958 in New York. He was the 33rd governor of New York City from 1899 to 1900. He was the 25th vice president from March of 1901 to September, when the president was assassinated and he became the 26th president of the United States. He was president from 1901 to 1909. These dates are important because today we're going to make a timeline of Theodore Roosevelt's life and accomplishments. We'll be watching 2 short videos regarding Theodore Roosevelt. In the videos, we are going to be looking at our vocabulary words. Our vocabulary words for today are president, monopoly, and conservation. Does anybody know what these 3 words mean? Okay, the president is the leader of our country. A monopoly is someone who has the possessions and control of the supply trade. That means if they were to be making toys, they were the only ones making that toy. And so they would have the monopoly of making that toy. Conservation is somebody who's worried about the land and the animals within it. They want to protect our natural environment. Then we're going to watch these 2 short videos, and in the videos, I want y'all to remember these 3 vocabulary words because we will be hearing them throughout the video. So let's take out our pens and papers for we can take notes during the video. All right, now that we're watching the videos, who can tell me what monopoly is? Okay, and Theodore Roosevelt was wanting to break up people with the monopoly. He wanted it to be a fair trade for everybody. So that was one of the things he was wanting to do. Okay, now that we watched this video, we're going to take our time. We're going to brainstorm with our neighbors and talk about what happened and when it happened by looking at our notes and comparing notes. Once we finish that, we'll start our timeline. I'm going to give you the first one on your timeline to help you out. I'm going to give you the year that Roosevelt became president. That was 1901 is when he became president. So we're going to go on our timeline. We're going to find 1901. We're going to write became president. And then y'all are going to fill in the rest of the timeline. Once we finish the timeline, we're going to take a quick 5-question quiz